Hello and welcome to Enterprise University. In the last part of this exercise, we will learn how to enter opening balances for our customers. If we have previous transactions with a customer before we created their customer file in Interprise Suite, we use the customer opening balance form to account for them. In the first exercise, we created new customers using the new customer wizard. There is a step in the wizard where we can enter customer opening balances. We skipped those steps and created the new customer files. We will now enter our customer opening balances. We can enter customer opening balances through the customer opening balances option or import them using the import wizard. We will demonstrate the first option. From the customer module, select the customer menu and select customer opening balance. The customer opening balance form is displayed. Let's select the customers in the customer name column. We will select one of the new customers we have created. We can enter opening balances for customer invoices and credits. Let's select invoice for this example. We can enter a PO code or any reference if any. Then let's enter the actual date of the invoice. Enter the actual amount of the invoice document. After this, we can select the corresponding payment term or accept the default we set up for the customer. We can enter multiple opening balances for each customer with different invoice or transaction dates. Note that when entering multiple opening balances, we can use the F6 key from our keyboard to copy the details from any row we select. In this example, we will create another invoice, then a credit opening balance for the customer. After entering all the necessary information, save the customer opening balance form. That is how we enter opening balances for customers using the customer opening balance option. In another example, we will enter customer opening balances using the import wizard. We are assuming that you have your existing list of customer opening balances in other applications and you have exported them into a file in an Excel spreadsheet, for example. To import, go to the System Manager module and click on the Import menu. The Import wizard will display. The Import wizard will guide us through the steps in importing data into Interprise Suite and enter multiple customer opening balances. In the first page of the wizard, we are informed of the type of files that we can import and the limit of records per import. Click Next to go to the next step. First thing we need to do is create a template. Click on the Create Template button to view the options. For this example, we will create an Excel compatible template and then select Customer Module and the Customer Opening Balance option. The Enterprise Suite Import Wizard spreadsheet will display. This spreadsheet contains the correct headers to use in grouping our import data. It is important to note that we can just copy and paste the column header from this template into our own Excel spreadsheet and that any one of the columns are not required to be filled in. We can use this template as our import file. We just need to relate it with information from our customer opening balances. We will begin importing the data by clicking on the ellipsis button inside the source path column. For this exercise, we have created a sample import file using this template. We will open this to show that the import file is Excel compatible. After this, we will select Customer Opening Balance as our destination table. This indicates a table inside the database where our imported data will be stored. Click Next to continue. Click Start Import option to start the import procedure. The import wizard will let us know if the import was a success or report any problems in our template that would result in a failed import. Let's click Next and finish to close the wizard. Thank you for watching. In the next exercise, we will learn how to manage our customers.